Hey, welcome to Stay Outside and Explore. It's Memorial Day weekend. What a weekend it has been. Rain. Yesterday it was nice. I didn't get a chance to film, but today it's just we've been rain. Tomorrow's Monday. They're saying it's gonna be nice, and then we gotta pack up and get out because it's gonna rain some more. They said. So a lot of people pulled out today because the rain just got to them. There's flooding in some parts of the campgrounds. You can see a little bit there, but that's nothing to it. Some of the people are underwater and on their not their trailers, but their campsites. They pulled out of here. So we got a river over there. Obviously that's not going to crest or anything like that. So well, when I put the camera down, we had a tornado warning for this area. There's our fire pit. We're all okay. We had a lot of rain. We're all okay. But we gotta look for a dry out now. Well, we're starting to pack it up after yesterday's tornado warning and flooding and you name it. So everything's muddy. Time to get out of here. All right. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. And I'll have another video coming out real soon. Thanks for watching.